Hello and welcome to our video series on script writing. So scripts are written very differently from other types of text. This is because most other types of text are just meant to be read, whereas scripts are meant to be memorized and performed. So they look very different because of their purpose. A script is much more clearly laid out. It has larger spacing, because when we are taking a mental picture of our script when we're trying to memorize it, it is much easier to memorize each one of our lines if they're spaced out from the other ones. Also, if we were reading a script that was in maybe a paragraph format, if we say look up for a second, it's going to be very, very hard when we look back down to find our place. So scripts are ordered in a way that allows people to look up but then look back down and find their next line relatively quickly. So some scripts look a little bit different from other scripts, but for the most part, they generally follow the same kind of rules. So this is the script format that we're going to be using. We're going to start by writing a character's name. We're going to follow that with a colon. And then we're going to write the character's lines. After that, we're going to skip a space, and we're going to write our next character's name and our next character's lines. Now, any sort of other important action in the scene is going to be introduced with what is called stage direction. That is a piece of text that shows what the characters are supposed to be doing. So I'm going to skip a line from my last piece of dialogue, and then I'm going to write out in regular paragraph format what is happening on the stage at this time. So by the end of our script, it should look something like this. So here is your task for today. I'm going to get you to write a very short script in this script format. Your script is going to have 2 characters. Each character is going to have 4 lines each, and there is going to be 2 pieces of stage direction. So that should bring your script to about a page long. It's not that difficult to write a page of script because of how many lines you're actually skipping. Now this is only a minimum. You can write a much longer script if you'd like to.